Meaning of Darryl F Zanuck.
Darryl F Zanuck.
Darryl F Zanuck.
Darryl F Zanuck.
Darryl F Zanuck. Darryl F Zanuck was an American movie producer, screenwriter and studio executive who lived from 1902 to 1979. He was one of the most influential figures in the early days of Hollywood and is best known for co-founding the movie studio 20th Century Fox. During his long and illustrious career, Zanuck worked on many famous movies such as All About Eve, The Grapes of Wrath, and The Longest Day. He won 3 Academy Awards for Best Picture and was widely regarded as a visionary and innovative filmmaker.